Another core concept from myEcon, the myCredit repair system. Why is it so important to have good credit? Well, no matter what you're doing, credit affects your life. It doesn't matter if you realize this or not. It doesn't matter if you're just renting places to live and you're not looking for a home loan. You still need to have good credit, because a lot of places, especially like apartment complexes and stuff, they're pulling people's credit. I've gotten turned down at apartment complexes because my credit was crap. That's how people decide whether you're trustworthy or not. That's why a lot of jobs, when they do background checks, are going to pull your credit. So it's very important. Plus, when you have good credit, you're fluid, right? You don't have to worry so much. You don't have to be so rigid, because you always have that backup plan. You always have that way out. When you have compromised credit, you have nowhere to go. You're stuck with whatever you got. So you need to fix that credit. And that's why myEcon, one of their core products, is the myCredit repair system. First, you need to take advantage of the income shifting strategy. That's where it shows you how to stop overpaying in taxes and shift your income into your pockets. Then you use that money to pay off high interest debt and raise your credit score. I'll show you all about it when you're a member of myEcon. Just go to digitalwebkings.com and you can see how everything works all together. You don't have to try and make money online to take advantage of myEcon's products and services. You just got to be a member. But hit that subscribe button and I'll keep bringing you more info about myEcon and what their products do and how they do it. And I'll show you step by step exactly how I went from a 550 credit score to a 780 credit score, how I went from being completely homeless, literally sleeping under a bridge, to now owning a home, homeless to homeowner. Maybe I'll write a book.